Hello grade 3! Kamusta kayo? Ready na ba kayong matuto ng something new today? Today, we're going to explore a new lesson in science. Excited na ba kayo? Let's go grade 3! Ang lesson natin ngayon ay tungkol sa science process skills. Alam nyo ba kung ano ito? These are the skills or steps na ginagamit ng mga scientists at pati na rin ng mga batang tulad nyo para makapag-observe, magtanong at matuto tungkol sa mga bagay sa paligid natin. At ang first skill na ating pag-aaralan ay tinatawag na observing o sa Tagalog, pagmamasid. Kapag tayo nag-o-observe, ginagamit natin ang ating 5 senses: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, at skin para makakuha ng impormasyon o kaalaman. Para mga mini scientist tayo na gumagamit ng mata para makakita, ng ilong para makaamoy, ng kamay para makaramdam, ng tainga para makarinig, at ng dila para makalasa. Kaya ngayon, let's learn how to be science detectives using our senses. Ngayon, i-define natin ang science process. Ano nga ba ang science process? A science process is a thinking skill that helps us discover and understand the world. Scientists and learners like you, grade 3, use it to ask questions, collect information, and find answers. At ngayon naman, ano bang observing? Observing means using your 5 senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch to gather information. When we observe, we look closely, listen carefully, feel gently, smell safely, and taste carefully. Syempre, with guidance ng ating teacher or ng ating mga magulang. Sa madaling salita sa Tagalog, ang observing ay ang paggamit ng ating 5 senses o 5 pandama para makapansin o makakuha ng impormasyon tungkol sa isang bagay. Okay, grade 3, let's pretend we're science detectives. Just like detectives solve mysteries, scientists observe things carefully to learn more about them. We don't guess. We observe to make smart conclusions. Let's go over the 5 senses that help us observe. For the sense of sight, body part use eyes. What it does helps you see color, size, and shape. For the sense of hearing, body part use ears. What it does helps you hear sounds or noise. Sense of smell, body part use nose. What it does helps you smell others or scents. Sense of taste, body part use tongue. What it does helps you know flavor if it's sweet or sour. For the sense of touch, body part use skin or hands. What it does helps you feel texture or temperature. For our digital activity, observation time, instructions, panahon na para gamitin ang ating 5 pandama. Tingnan sa paligid at pumili ng isang bagay na gusto mong obserbahan. Pwedeng lapis, bag, tsinelas, baso, pagkain o iba pa. Sagutin ang mga tanong na ito. Number 1. What does it look like? Ano ang itsura ng bagay? Kulay, hugis, laki. Number 2. What sound does it make? If any, may tunog ba ito? Anong klaseng tunog? Number 3. What does it smell like? Naamoy mo ba ito? Mabango, matapang, walang amoy. Number 4. How does it feel? Ano ang pakiramdam kapag hinawakan mo? Malambot ba? magaspang, mainit, malamig. Number 5, what does it taste like? Kung ligtas at pwede nang tikman. Anong lasa nito? Matamis, maasim, o maalat? So this will serve as your output format. I observe a blank. Dito, ilalagay mo kung ano ang iyong inobserbahan. I use my sense of blank and blank. Kung ano ang ginamit mong sense organs. Halimbawa, I observe a candy. I use my sense of sight and taste. Independent activity worksheet. Now, draw and describe. Draw one object at home or in school. Anything na makikita nyo or nakikita nyo sa inyong bahay or nakikita nyo sa school. Write how you observe it using at least 2 senses. Ito ang magiging format. Object, I see blank, I feel blank, I smell blank, if applicable. And for your last digital worksheet, complete this sentence in writing. Today, I learned that I can observe by using blank. Write an answer. And now let's review. All together, let's read. Observing means using our 5 senses. These helps us collect information about things around us. Observing is the first step to learning in science. Magaling mga bata! Great job, grade 3! Today, you practice using your senses to observe the world around you. Remember, observation is the first step in discovering new things in science. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop being curious. Use your eyes to see, ears to listen, nose to smell, hands to feel, and if it's safe, use your tongue to taste. Observation makes you a young scientist. Till next time, keep learning with love and curiosity. Love and prayers, Teacher Chef.